Hello, I'm Gardevoir. Welcome to this episode of Craft Along with Gardevoir. In this episode, I'm making Gardevoir. This Pokemon was requested by quite a bit of people, so I decided to make it. This guy in particular got me off guard as he wanted to make this in a day, or when he commented this in like 4 hours. I mean, in theory, I could do it, but we all know how long it takes you to make anything. So, a month is quite quickly for me to get this turnaround over. As you notice in the comment, I did say when I was going to release this, and this is something I'm going to try to do in the future. I'm going to try to hide an Easter egg hinting at what I'll be making the next month. The Easter egg for June is already on my website, so if you're bored, go have fun looking for it. Anyways, I'm not going to really talk about Gardevoir's design too much. I'm not a big fan of it. It looks too much like a human. I like Pokemon that look like animals or a combination of animals, not humans, so I don't mind using it in battle, but Gardevoir's design I don't really like. If you want to build this model with me, you can download the templates in the first link in the description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Where are you from? I really like to know. With that out of the way, let's begin building. Alrighty then, this model took me about 2 hours to build, and wasn't too difficult to make this model. Like other videos, I'm going to post the templates on the left or right hand side of the screen so I can annotate them and show you where each tab goes. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to build a green section of Gardevoir's head. You're first going to cut out this piece here and fold along these lines which I've highlighted in red. On the screen now, I posted a picture of where each tab goes to each non-tab section on the respectable piece. Once you're done gluing all the tabs together on the first piece, you're going to cut out these two pieces here, gluing this tab to this non-tab section here to create a cone. When that's dry, you're going to attach both of these to the original piece you made through these tabs shown on screen. After that's done, you're going to cut out the eyes pieces and fold these lines here, and then gluing these tabs to the respectable non-tab section to create cones on the side of the head. Once that's done, you're going to attach this eyes piece to the original green piece you made by first gluing this piece, this tab, this non-tab section part, and gluing these tabs to these non-tab section parts there. Once you attach the eyes to the green section part of the head, you're then going to make the part under the eyes. You're going to cut this piece out and fold these lines in red. You're then going to glue these tabs to their respectable non-tabs on the piece, and then glue this piece to the eyes through these tabs. These tabs here should also attach to the original green pieces, but it should be very smooth and should be very easy to see these tabs getting placed where they need to go. Once done, you're going to close the head with this non-section piece here. Alrighty, onto the body. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out this piece right here, making sure to fold every single line on the piece. You're then going to attach this tab to this non-tab section here and do the same thing on the other side to create the arms. You're then going to attach this tab to this non-tab section here. Next, you're going to cut out this piece right here and glue it to the body you just created. You're going to do that by first attaching this tab to this non-tab section here, then wrapping the remaining pieces around the body so that this tab can go to this non-tab section here. After that, you're going to build the legs for the model by first attaching this tab to this non-tab section here and this tab to this non-tab section here. Make sure that these tabs are fully glued. As you can see, when I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm working on other pieces of the model, such as the body spike. I don't know how to say it, but this is pretty simple, as you're just going to attach these tabs here and just work your way around to eventually this tab attaches to that tab there. While the legs are drying, I also start working on the skirt by cutting out this piece here. I do not cut out the tabs for this section because A, I'm lazy, and 2, it's just not necessary for the tabs to be here. I just put them in just in case someone wants to do it, they can. I personally would not do it for this. Piece is symmetrical, so I find the line of symmetry, fold it there, and then just glue the white sides of the textures to each other. I've slowed it down so you can see what I'm doing here to make it easier to do so. Alrighty, now that the legs are dry, this is the part of the video when I actually glue the legs to these non-tab section part here that I mentioned earlier. Once that's drying, I wrap the skirt around the body and freehand glue the ends so that it wraps fully around. I can't give you much advice. You can watch the video to see how it's done. I've slowed it down a little bit more so you can see what's going on here. Once that's done, you can close the body through this section here and glue the head on top of it. By this point in time, the pink section should be done, and you just eyeball it and cut out the front and back piece of the chest and glue it to the body. And with that, that's how you make Gardevoir. Thank you again for watching this video, but no one's here, so it don't matter. But thank you for watching the video. I greatly appreciate it. Again, this model took me about 2 hours to build, and it wasn't too bad or too difficult to build at all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment where you're from, and until next time, bye-bye.